It was more than 2000 years ago. A Hindu king named as Harinand used to live in this area. Later on, the army of Alexander the Great attacked on this fort and captured that area. At that time, this area was included in Persian Empire. After Alexander the Great, the fort got controlled by Gorshani tribe of Baloch under the leadership of Khan of Kalat. In 17th century, Sikh got power in Punjab. They attacked on this area again and captured that fort. Later on, in 18th century, the British army got the control of this fort. Now, this fort is known as Harrand Fort, actually named after Hari Nand. The physical condition of this fort is extremely worst. Maybe we are the last generation to observe the majestic history of that fort.
From Harand Fort. This fort is named after Hari Nand, a Hindu king. Later on, the forces of Alexander the Great attacked on this area and captured this fort.